Hello, everyone. Welcome to your first week of personal finance class. In this week's class, we will mostly review financial planning process. Other than financial planning process, we also go through the principle of personal finance, which is pretty much like an outline of different content, different topic of this course and also the textbook. Well, first, let's take a quick look at the financial planning process. So it's mostly a budgeting and planning process. It will help you to make you to realize what could be a financial problem and how to avoid it, and therefore also give you a guidance that you can use to follow to review and to make correction to the existing process that you have. In this course, this week, we will also review the different stages in individual's finance life cycle. Like there's mainly three stages, stage 1, 2, 3. The first stage is until you are about mid-50. That's when you accumulating wealth, growing your career, making the most money. Then you go into the stage 2, which is pre-retirement. You'll be more. That's probably when you make the most money on average on an annual base. But you also need to start a little more planning for after retirement. And the third stage will be the retirement stage, which is you will make probably less money, more relying on your saving and retirement. So through these stages, there are different strategy, different goal, different principle that you will follow, therefore to improve your financial situation. And we will also review roughly just the cost of raising a child, which is a very important factor to many of you guys. Of course, you can choose not to have kids. It's definitely a personal decision. But here we will review have you decided to raise a child, what's the cost associated with it, and also we will also take a look at how would the major that you're working in to affect your career, and the major that you choose will affect your financial situation. And the very last, we will quickly go through all the content of this course. We're going to look at all the tax impact. We're going to look at all the liquidable asset, look at credit card, look at taking a loan, making big purchase, just insurance, investment, retirement, estate planning. It's a lot more content. We're not going to go through detail. We're not going into detail on this principle, but at least it will give you a high-level view of what are those principles for and how do you be mindful of it to keep reminding yourself of those principles, and you can apply that in your real life. So hopefully this is more of just a very high level. It's not going very deep. Hopefully you can do some good reading, and this text was really good. Spend some time reading through it, and you can enjoy this week's content. So have fun.